For my project number 3, I have created a lesson plan that discusses a science standard for the 2nd grade level. The standard is analyzing data obtained from testing different materials to determine which materials have the properties that are best suited for an intended purpose. So in this lesson, students are going to be able to discuss and determine which properties of different materials make for a better Hot Wheels ramp. I'm going to give students a summary of the different properties of different materials, and they're going to get into small groups and discuss which materials they believe would be good for use as ramps for Hot Wheels cars. Now I'm going to present the material about the properties of the different materials before they break up into small groups. So I'm going to introduce the wood, the rock, the cloth, the paper, and then we're going to talk about different properties of them. Then the students can review the information in the handout while they discuss and try to figure out which material they believe would be best for a Hot Wheels ramp. Now, each group is going to assign a representative, and that representative is going to speak in front of the class. So after an allotted amount of time, the students will decide which material they think will be best, and the group representative will get up in front of the class and discuss or explain which material they chose and have to explain their reasoning. Now this is connected to page 182 in chapter 7. It just says that, research has found that in small group discussions, it indicates that these activities can increase student achievement more than traditional lessons if the students are well prepared to work in small groups and if the group task is well organized. And I feel that the students will have more of a responsibility in really reviewing the material, the handout that I give them, which it says the materials is just the handout. That's all you need for this discussion or this lesson. But I feel that they will be more responsible. They will have more responsibility and be required to actually look at the handout, discuss the different properties of each material, and give their input on why they believe a certain material is going to work better in a Hot Wheels ramp. And then I can give an assessment based on what the representative explains, and I can kind of see if they really discuss the material and if they really delve into the different properties. And I did cite our textbook, and so I have cited Robert Slavin in his quote on page 182 about the small group practice.